Come on! What is taking so long with this research? Emmanuel! Check out the scientist! He's probably having a stroke. Fuck. Why do I sound like Mickey now?
Oi. Are you having a stroke? I think that's a no. Shit. That shit's open. Huh? I always wanted to see what's in there. What's in there? Very peculiar. I expected to be something out there. You know, if I can't find out what's in there, I'm gonna waterboard you. Just like I did to that fish back in the old mob days. Where the hell did the king even want this if there's nothing in here? The hell?
Hey, Jahir! I'm finally retired! The hell? Call security!